Welcome all the viewers. Today we are going to learn one of the grammar topics, and that is voice. In the beginning of this session, we are going to learn what is the meaning of voice. Voice is the quality of a verb that indicates whether its subject acts or is acted upon. This is the one of the quality of the verb. In other words, we can say voice is a verb which indicates who is a doer and on whom the action is done. Action is acted upon. Now, there are two types of the voice. We will learn about the types of the voice. There are two types of voice. First is active voice and second is passive voice. First, we will learn about active voice. Now, what is active voice? In the active voice, the subject and verb relationship is straightforward. The subject is a doer. In simpler words, we can say that a voice in which verb, the subject is a doer, then that voice is active voice. Subject, doer is active. When subject or doer is active, that is called active voice. For example, he writes a letter. I play a guitar. There is another type, that is a passive voice. In the passive voice, the subject of the sentence is not a doer. It is shown with by plus doer or is not shown in the sentence. Passive voice is used when the action is the focus, not the subject. It is not important who does the action. In the active voice, we have seen that doer is important. But in a passive voice, doer is not important. Action is important. Example is, a letter is written by him. A guitar is played by me. In both the sentences, the doer is not focused, but the action is focused. The action is emphasized. In the first example, a letter is written by him. It is not important who writes a letter, but action is important. A letter is written by him. Another example, a guitar is played by me. In the second example also, the action is emphasized. That was all about the voice. Thank you.